Yeah, hello and welcome to a Load Up Crypto update video. In this video, I'd like to take you through a few of the important Bitcoin indicators and why Bitcoin actually is currently in a long-term accumulation phase. Now, this of course doesn't mean that Bitcoin suddenly starts to move up today or tomorrow, but it is more of a long-term thing. These indicators point towards long-term price developments. And this will become a series of videos. So in this video, I would like to introduce you to the one of these indicators here, and this is the Bitcoin rainbow chart indicator. So you can find these charts for free on lookintobitcoin.com. All sorts of charts here which are really useful, and a lot of them are currently flagging up buy signals. Now, of course, this is no financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy, but what is so important is to understand that these point really towards accumulation. They point towards buying. So it just means that these indicators, as per these indicators, it means when you buy, then long term you should be in profit based on historical developments. So let me just show you, for example, this Bitcoin rainbow price chart indicator, which is based on different areas of sentiment. Yeah, you can see here, this is the log chart, logarithmic chart, which shows the price development of Bitcoin since 2010. And you can see here there are different colors. These different colors represent different areas of sentiment. And you can start down here from fire sale. This is exactly where we are in at the moment. We zoom in a minute. You've got fire sale. This is blue. This means basically the cryptocurrency, or Bitcoin specifically, is cheap. Yeah, historically based on what it has cost historically. Then we've got the next area above that is buy. Then we've got accumulate. So we are way below accumulate at the moment. Yeah, which means it's an even stronger buy signal. Then we have still cheap, which is sort of this mixture of green and yellow. Then we've got hodl, which is yellow. Sort of this, what goes into orange then is this a bubble? Dark orange is FOMO, intensifies. And then when you are going into this darker orange red area, then it shows you, it is basically bubble territory and you should sell. So it is just an indicator that really works on, just shows different areas of sentiment. And had you just bought historically always in the sort of green to blue areas, basically accumulated dollar cost averaging in with a long-term view in this area, green to blue, and sold in this area between, let's say, orange to red, yeah, that obviously the more towards red, the better, then you would have done really, really fine. Now, interestingly, in every cycle so far, in the first cycle, you can see that the volatility reduces. Volatility of the cycles has reduced. In the first cycle, we managed to break way above the red zone. In the second cycle, still above, but not that much above as in the previous cycle. Then here in the cycle 2018, we touched basically the band, the upper band of the rainbow chart here. And in this cycle, well, in 2021, we didn't even get into the red area. But if we zoom in now, you can see that we briefly were, and I zoom in more, we briefly were, basically still are in this fire sale area. We're currently between fire sale and buy. Now, this means that longer term, prices should of course go up, and that this is historically a really attractive price. Now, this does not mean it has to go up tomorrow. It's more of a long-term thing. And it also, it is very hard from a technical point of view to tell you it takes, that much of amount of time when we get out of this area. Actually, we should all be very happy to be in this area. I know a lot of people want prices to go up, and that's fine, myself included, yeah, but you would like the price to be in that area for quite a long time, basically purely because you can accumulate Bitcoin. Yeah, you don't want it to go now up to 60K without having been able to accumulate a lot. Yeah, in case you are interested in Bitcoin, in case you want to buy, then you should be quite happy about this, because does it really matter if it goes up next month or if it goes up in 6 months? If it goes up in 6 months, you have at least more time to accumulate. But here we get into this sort of weird thing in financial markets that usually when prices are crashing down, everybody's trying to sell, whereas everybody wants to buy when they go high. For example, here into the orange range, that is FOMO. Yeah, FOMO intensifies. That's when everybody wants to buy, which is so strange. If you buy something in the supermarket, you want prices to be cheap. In financial markets, for some reason, everybody wants the prices to be expensive. But yeah, this is just one of the indicators. In further videos, I will introduce you to more of these indicators. There are so many indicators, it will fill up a lot of videos. So hopefully that was useful. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And yeah, then see you in the next video. Bye-bye.